attention to that little intro. But, all right, so last video, PACKOUT Anthology, all the electrical, working on this battery backup, and I literally thought to myself, I have all the stuff. It's just spread everywhere. And Jen reminded me, oh yeah, we have to finish the video. But we can't. Even though it definitely needed this spade terminal, this is not what we're here to talk about. We're actually talking about electrical, but I'm going to talk about an elephant in the room, and I'm just going to call it out what it is. Everyone wants to say that Klein copied Milwaukee, right? You heard about the Klein lawsuit. We'll talk about that one later. But the mod box is new, but that's not what I want to talk about. They showed it at World of Concrete, and World of Concrete started showing something, and I honestly, I'm just going to say it like it is. If we copy a design that Milwaukee has patented, we get sued. The world gets sued. Anyone, right? I'm not talking about me. Milwaukee, I love you. I swear there's like a lawyer in the corner. There's not, okay? But Milwaukee can copy everyone else's designs? And you guys are going to say what?
I love you, devil's advocate. If their design didn't exist, you couldn't have created, nobody else could have created anything for a product that wouldn't have existed. So it is kind of a catch-22. It's a very cannibalistic ecosystem, if you will.
So, you guys might ask what I'm talking about, and I'm going to go ahead and multitask here so that we can have a short video, right? Just got back from a honeymoon, just got married in case you guys didn't pay attention. But
Was it a honeymoon?
It was.
It was a family
It was a
vacation.
great time.
It was a great time.
It was a great time. We got married. But I designed this a while ago. This is my version of what I call the spool out. And in fact, it'll even let you pull the wire out the side, right? It's pretty cool. It uses spring-loaded, all thread. You can use conduit. And then I messaged STV Racking, Andy. He makes that over there. And he also does CNC stuff with other things. And Andy came up with this guy. Now, when I saw Klein do the spools inside of the box with the front opening, I went, wow, that looks similar to this. Didn't really think anything of it. But when I saw Milwaukee at World of Concrete come out with the new deep crate that has an opening in the front. Opening in the front? Hold on a second. Opening in the front. You guys know this hack that you can put one of these bit cases wedged in the front, the old Shockwave cases, but watch what I did on mine. Woo, it's a hole. Why? Because this is how I turned my router setup on and off. But also, if you put this on your spool outs or your wire outs or any of these where you do sort of the STV racking version of my design or my design, you could put this on the front and you can have your wires come right out here, and when you're done, close it off, right? It also works great for the router. But they went ahead and one-upped it. They one-upped it. Let me show you something. So a really big complaint with the crate was that if you put something taller than the crate in, it sits like that. But this one doesn't, right? This one fits. I created this a long time ago. We call it the Mary Poppins purse, or we defy science, right? This is a PACKOUT that I absolutely ruined, and they were cheaper then.
Ruined is subjective.
And made a deep, an XL. I did this years ago, and now my chemicals fit, but it's also really helpful for the router because with the big battery and dust collection, this works really great. In fact, as far as dust collection goes, you can get blank versions of our spool outs, the little inserts that go in the handles to close these ports off. So Milwaukee releases a deep crate. The deep crate has a front hole access, and then they release a half-height crate, which is sort of a cross between the little Tool caddy and everyone else that has released stuff. And I get it. Milwaukee is saying, okay, users have expressed feedback and all this stuff, but come on, man. Can I get a little bit of love? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to talk about the three main things that I saw, and then each time we'll cut. So first and foremost, they have, let's do this, good, you hit that button. So first and foremost, let's show this one. Now pause. So after I'm done talking for this little segment, I'm going to cut to a scene of this image, and I'm going to show you a video of each one, and we'll go in order. So they've got the deep, we'll call it the Crate XL, that has an opening in the front. There's a spool holder insert, okay? But even the way, and can I get this close to the camera? Does that look?
Yep.
So that's an insert that goes inside a generic crate. That's an insert that goes inside a generic crate. Okay, so when I changed my spool design and I talked to Andy over at STV, he came out with this one. Exactly. But Milwaukee's saying we're going to do other inserts. Okay, so this is what the crate looks like without the insert.
Okay.
And now we're going to cut to a clip of those two. All right, so we see the crate, the XL crate, with and without the spool holder insert. The inserts that are gonna go in, they also have additional ones that are dividers that allow you to do the half height. Those also are gonna work with these new ones. So if you remember the the single drawer, how I was able to clip these in, they're gonna have that clip-in feature. So that's really nice, I like it. They're listening, and that's what a lot of you are gonna argue. And I know clickbait in the title, but I mean, come on, it does look pretty similar.
I hear you.
Right?
I hear
Oh,
you.
okay.
But again, that product wouldn't exist if Milwaukee hadn't created the crate. So while it might feel like they're stealing your candy, that design is inherently dependent on that crate.
Right, so why is it that Klein gets in trouble then?
Because they have the lawyers and can pay the money.
Okay, and we don't.
It's just like Facebook and marketing. You can only show boobs on Facebook if you have a $7 million marketing budget.
True.
And you're Sports Illustrated and they're underwater.
Right, if you're one of the ones that's paying Meta's advertising rate. Good point. So, okay, next thing is going to be here in a second. We'll stop the camera and I'll show you. But they have a half-height crate. And that crate has dividers. They've even showed it working with all the bins. So that's really nice. So here, let's show the half-height crate.
3.
So wouldn't you want a half version of this? If your fittings don't fill this, but you want easy access, I see why you would want that. But then, as Billy Mays would say, or whoever, comment below.
There's more.
But wait, there's more. Look at this photo.
Hey everyone, we got our new PACKOUT crates here. Just announcing them today at World of Concrete. So starting off here, this is gonna be our new PACKOUT XL crate. Couple cool things about this. So it's gonna be a 75-pound weight capacity, 50-pound weight capacity in transit. We're gonna have wire pulling inserts, so you're gonna be able to fit 6 500-foot spools of 12-gauge wire in here. You'll be able to pull right from your crate. At the end of your run, you're easily able to cut it. It's gonna stay there. Another attachment we're gonna have for our XL crates is a new XL crate divider. With this crate divider, we also have built-in slots for our toolbox attachments. So you're able to store them right inside your crate there. Coming over to these next ones, we have our low profile crate. Low profile crate is gonna be a 50-pound weight capacity. With our divider here, you can be able to stock compacts on top of here. Inside the divider slots, you can also fit our organizer bins. Last but not least is going to be the new compact crate. So with the new compact crate, it's going to be a 30-pound weight capacity. This handle will allow you to stack compact on top, or you can easily pull this handle up, take the crate off, carry it around like a bucket. Last piece for these, all the dividers are actually score and snap dividers. So if you want to cut this down so you can access this middle compartment, just run your knife across it, snap it, and you're good to go. Thank you.
That is a half height, half width. But what I like the best about it is, Jen, could you hand me that red bin over there?
This one? or this?
Yep, that left hand. Is I've always wanted, honestly, a pack-out version of this, and that's to me exactly what it looks like, but with a handle. It's pretty cool, and all of us, seriousness aside, back to joking, all of us, I'm Dusty, all of us have contributed towards Milwaukee needing or getting ideas. So I am sort of joking. Yeah, I would love for Milwaukee to at least invite me to Pipeline, maybe, you know, just if any of you are listening, just because, you know, some of these designs are a little similar.
I mean,
but
it would be really great if they actually pulled like a bunch of people from the community and then had like a round table meeting.
did a different Pipeline where it's about creating and what does the market want other than what, I don't know, they put some guy out there on the Pipeline that never, a lot of people say that I mean, my tools aren't even dirty. That one's clearly dirty.
It's old.
But they did.
I love you.
Rude. Craftsman. Okay, you know what? This is not a place for logic. It's my feelings, and they stole my idea. But that aside, all right, we love them. They are awesome. Milwaukee, if you ever want to get a hold of a bunch of creators like STV Racking, Stack Smarter. Hey, crazy idea. Did you see that little half crate I just showed you guys? It's crazy that people would want, hold on, a handle for the crate. The little half one that I just showed you, half width and half height, had a handle. Now that handle was also what allowed the top to clip in to a half, right? Any half profile would need that handle on the front because of that. So that handle doubles as the latch mechanism or the place for the latch to go on. I'm not going to show you another video. I'm going to show you a video of all of these in a second, a clip from Milwaukee's own social media so you get a better idea because obviously I don't have my hands on them. But
No, but if somebody wants to rectify that,
Acme Tools, anyone? You want to get me some of the new ones? Or Milwaukee? If you want to listen, I know you guys know I exist. You help us out on the Facebook group and we love it. 500,000 members strong.
we're the redheaded stepchild, my
We are
love.
the- but I'm not-
Literally.
Because I had like one red hair. I can call myself redheaded too, right? If I have
Sure.
one red
Why
beard
not?
hair.
We'll let it go.
Okay, I'm a ginger. Not really.
You surround yourself by everything
I
red.
just surround myself with everything red. So I am not butthurt. I'm gonna keep saying that out loud so that I'm not butthurt. But Milwaukee, I see you listening. We would like a router option. Everyone else is creating it, and yeah, I'd love to build it myself, but you know, why not? What other options do we want? We want bigger drawers. We would like a PACKOUT that a chainsaw will fit in, and some bigger
Don't
tools.
they make chainsaw carry cases?
They make chainsaw carry cases, and they don't even put PACKOUT feet on it. And I would love to say, let's just put PACKOUT feet on it, put it on the top of our stack. But we know everybody gets bent out of shape, and they want to put it in the middle of their stack. So we want an oblong shaped PACKOUT, okay, that has like a thing that sticks off the side that something else can go on the top. Everyone asks me for it. I'm the JakeOfALL. We literally get thousands of people messaging us saying, what about this idea? What about that idea? We want a PACKOUT chainsaw holder. We want a coffee maker and a microwave. That's what everyone else has asked about. Thank you for the crate. Thank you for the spool holder. I can retire now and not have to make this stuff. I'm kidding. I'll just keep coming up with ideas. You guys comment below ideas you like. And do you think Milwaukee should stand back and wait for my massive legal team to send them a letter for a cease and desist for the spool holder version 1? You guys don't buy it a lot, which means you probably don't know it exists.
Actually, we go through
Or
quite.
do you think it's not a great idea?
It goes
I
in
sort
waves.
of like it.
It goes in waves. Like when somebody orders it, like once I get one order, I print like 5 because usually there's like 4 more orders that go after that. So.
But what I would love to know, we're not doing a Stack Smarter giveaway in this video because this is a quick one. Got back from the honeymoon, got to get back to work. But what I'd like to know is, I would love you guys to get in the comments below and let me know what is like your #1 item that you want Milwaukee to make for the PACKOUT system or PACKOUT compatible, right? Fans, things like that. You name it, you want it on a PACKOUT, go below and let's get into the debates. Let's talk about it. Let's see all these different options. And then Milwaukee can just read the description and then they don't have to spend as much in R&D and they can lower the price of the products and we all win. Cool. I'm out. That's it. I have nothing else to say. But thank you all for your support. Thanks for all the messages on the congrats for the wedding. Really appreciate y'all. We're printing like crazy and we're having a great time. So
If somebody wants to bring their baseball bat and hit up our Prusas, I would be down.
yeah. What was the thing that you wanted to talk about? It was about a box over here? It was, wasn't it?
Probably. Oh yeah.
Hey, guess what we have?
Hold on. You see those?
Sale.
Those are misprints. Actually, those are just the latches.
These?
There's $5 each a set on the website. And I'm going to update it in a minute to just be buy one, get one free.
You hear that?
Regardless.
Buy one, get one free. They're already discounted. Hacksaw, some cases there's nothing wrong with them. These are just generic ones that say M12. This one, the word Dremel was a little M18 router. Nothing wrong with it. But all of these.
But we also have like inserts for
Right.
tools and other things that have just either printed weird or had a weird finish.
So all I need to do,
Yeah, is go to the website and if you really just search the word Misfit,
shop.jakeofall.com, in the search, type in MISFIT.
and you will see literally everything. I'm trying to get it updated, but through the weekend and probably going forward until all of this crap is out of my garage.
We live in an okay size house. We have an okay size garage, but I have not an okay obsession, and I need more room for packouts. I'm kidding, if I bring another PACKOUT in here. But I do need to get back to this terminal and fix this battery, so I'm going to now work in this mess. And you guys have a great weekend. Enjoy time with your family. I know we are. And yeah, have a good one. And we'll see you on the next one where we're going to talk electrical. See ya, JakeOfALL. I'm just going to go this way because I'm not wearing pants.